Okay, guys, we're going to be checking out these two assets that we actually posted the analysis on the Telegram channel. We gave out the signals on the Telegram channel, and we're going to be checking out the outcome of the two signals. Okay. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, and of course guys, quickly, in case you have any question, you can drop your question down there in the comment section. You can also reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. If you are not on the Telegram channel, this is what you are missing. I actually did an analysis on this particular asset, GainX 999. You're going to see the signals in the Telegram channel there. And you see that this has actually got into the support zone and it was unable to break out from there. So I did my analysis based on that. I gave us an entry point at this point and a stop loss at this point. This is 15 minutes time frame, and easily it got to the first TP and it also got to the second TP. And I think this is amazing, guys. This is amazing. So I still expect this to buy more, even though the movement is so slow. You can see it's wasted a lot of time around there, also wasted a lot of time around there after getting into the signals. Okay, and the movement has been so slow. I actually thought all these TPs would have been achieved yesterday, but it took a lot of time before it got the two TPs achieved. Okay, so that's so amazing, guys. I still expect it to buy more. However, if it breaks out below this, then we are most likely to see it selling more. Okay, so you should watch out for that. Okay, and of course, let's check out Paynex 1200. Okay, if you should notice, okay, we actually milked this particular asset right from this resistance zone, and we sold it till it got to this particular support zone. Okay, so ever since it got to the support zone, I've been waiting for it to go into an uptrend fully. Okay, so later on it made an attempt, but it's kept on playing around this region. You can see got to this support zone, got to this again, and that is why I drew this trend line till it got to this particular region. Okay, so I said if it gets here, that should be 2 days ago, that it's going to bounce up if it does not break out from here. And you can see it bought for a while. Okay, so gave us a lot of profit. And also yesterday I also pull out some signals on this particular asset, and just the way we have seen this, it has achieved all the signals given on this. All the TPs have been achieved. This is another beautiful opportunity for this. Okay, for us within the Telegram channel. Okay, so in case you are wondering how we are able to achieve this easily, okay, I have actually leveraged on a particular strategy called the trend trading strategy. I see it as a simple strategy and so unique for one to milk the market for a very long time. And I apply this strategy on 15 minutes time frame because this will help me to see the chart very well, and it will help me to make a lot of profit for a very long time. Okay, so what do I need to do? I just need to identify the trend and I walk along with the trend. That is simple. That is what I have been doing in most of my analysis. And let me explain further how it works. Okay, for instance, this particular asset got to the support zone and I expect it to go into an uptrend. And as you can see, it went into an uptrend, but it didn't go too far. Okay, but this is far enough to give us a lot of money, and it came down again. Okay, so if you had taken your profit at this point, that would have given you a lot of money. Came down, but it didn't go below this. Okay, so when it was going there, it's another trend for you to sell. And of course, since it didn't go below this, then it is another trend for you to buy, and this will have given you another big profit. Okay, and the same thing happened here, but what we are looking out for is the breakout strategy that will shoot the trend for a very long time, and that was what happened here. Okay, When it got here, it gave us an uptrend signal again, and you can see it went out and broke out above this resistance region that has been pushing it backward. Okay, and of course it gave us a lot of profit. This is 15 minutes time frame. You can imagine being in the market right from here to the very end of the trend. This is amazing. Right now it has gotten to a resistance zone and getting ready for a downtrend, and this will give us an opportunity to sell again for a very long time. Okay, we just need to put the to perfect the analysis and make sure we get the necessary signals before we jump into it. And of course, that is the benefit of you learning how to identify the trend. If you don't know how to identify the trend, you can get a strategy, a trading tool that can help you to identify the trend. If you don't have anyone, this is a good one that you are seeing on my channel. If the market is on uptrend, it will be yellow like this. If it is on downtrend, you're going to see it red like this. Okay, and this will help you to milk the markets within the trend. And all you just need to do is just for you to follow the signal that supports the trend. For instance, when the market is going on uptrend, the only signal I focus on is the blue arrow, okay, which means that it is going to buy. You can see it's only give us a single blue arrow here, and of course it's bought till the very end of the trend. If it had been a downtrend, it will have given you a red arrow, okay, and the only signal you should support is the red arrow, and it will sell till the very end. Okay, so that is how amazing it is. Okay, so you guys can take advantage of this opportunity and learn the trend trading strategy and use it to increase your trading activities. Okay, this will help you to make more profit right from there. I will be stopping right here. In case you have any question, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply you. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.